Never worship my God. Oh, I will never worship my God. I will never worship my God. Oh, I will never worship. Oh, never worship. Oh, never worship. Oh, never worship. I will never worship.
Oh, but you are disturbing me now. What is all this noise for?
Man, may God. Well, you don't disturb me. I will never worship. Oh, never worship. Oh, never worship. Man, may God.
Okay, don't do now. Are you a real man of God? Were you not fake?
I will never worship. Man, I will never.
Are you not fake?
I will never worship.
You are disturbing me here. I don't. What is all this now?
I will never worship man, may God, man, may God. Hey, I will never worship man, may God.
My friend, it's okay. You are disturbed. Don't let me arrest you.
I am not afraid of feet that clear the body and cannot kill the soul. Did you hear that?
Yeah, when I will arrest your soul, you will know.
Never worship man. I will never worship.
Just disturbing somebody.
I will.
My friend, I don't want any noise here.
Talk now. No, talk. Not be your colleague.
My
Did
friend,
I say anything?
noise.
Follow and talk now. If they meant me, they shout for me. See what I tell you, say, I fear army clothes where they hang for rope. Pass police where hold gun.
What?
No, talk.
My friend, I said 6 noise.
Yes, sir.
Don't take that. We double you here.
We'll try our best to make this place quiet, sir.
You see yourself?
Hater beef now. We shout.
Talk now. We'll try to make ourselves orderliness.
What?
If now that time now you go
My
to shout
friend,
for.
I said let them be.
Shout for.
Think you are holding a crusade here. Why this place so quiet?
Asamo.
Sir, we just want the place to be peaceful, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. We are just maintaining orderliness, sir.
My friend, speak louder.
Yes, sir. We are trying to keep the place in order, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice.
Angel, the painful thing here be say that time where this organ never come here, this one so he just dey shout for everybody.
Did that shout?
They shout.
Did that?
So you were assuming. You were assuming, ba?
Did that shout?
Oga,
Better don't chat here again. Is that clear?
he collect
Yes, sir.
bribe for here. He collect bribe. He took bribe.
No.
Yes. Angel, am I lying? He collected bribe.
Oh my God.
Yes, now.
You, okay, you are my witness here. Okay, it's not.
In fact, I will discipline you.
Okay, it's enough.
I'm going to deal with you.
Yes,
It's
sir.
enough.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Brother Solomon, aka the Do Master.
Yes,
Yeah.
his name is Brother Solo. Is the?
Are you the one speaking for him?
No, sir.
My friend, go on.
Okay, sir.
Brother Solomon.
Yes, my Lord. I am loyal to the judgment throne. Yeah.
From your record, you do steal from the offering box.
What?
You womanize.
Is that true? My friend, I'm talking to you. Is that true?
You know, they don't used to pay us well as a church workers. So this is also one of the ways in which we use to assist ourselves. You understand what I'm saying? You've been through the game as well before you
Not
came
just
here.
that, Brother Solomon. You're an expert when it comes to doing magic.
What?
You do jazz.
Sir, I hope you are okay, sir.
No problem, carry on.
Okay, sir.
It was only Baba that normally do those ones for me. The painful thing is that the one he even did for me that time, he said I should cast out one demon, and the demon left the body, only to go and wait for the member who was delivered at the church gate.
Brother Solomon is like you are going to go to hell.
Better go to hell right now.
Who they go here? Go they go! They never judge you! Go they go! You will go to hell!
for me, elder for me.
I'm the old man, oh. I don't know my village people.
Faster, my friend.
My village people follow me. Come help me. Wanna beg for me? Angel no bleaching. Udemo. Because of my children.
You want to claim elder for me, elder?
I go die, yo.
You young man.
I go die, yo.
I'm going to discipline. Continue, my friend. You are giving me 1,000 fuck job right now. Before the angel will judge you.
Where you? Officer. You no go fit beg your colleague make he forgive am.
What did they do you? Now so I go want the poor person for problem. Okay, you dey here, oh. What? Now you be my colleague. With me and they do the same work.
Not be the same military.
Wait, keep quiet. No go let her hear. With the arrest and the beat. Now the same work we they do. This two uniform resemble. Now so you want to kill me?
What?
He don't die. Oh.
Better remain there. The angel is not going to judge you right now.
I got them.
Those goddamn civilians.
Young man,
Boy, sir.
What's your name?
I'm Officer Advisor Lipomo.
Okay, no problem. I will judge you next week. I need to take a break.
My friend, you are going nowhere. You better judge me now.
What?
Because it was my God that sent me to this place. My God has commanded me that you must judge me today. Yes, my God gave me the command that I must be judged today, whether I like it or not. So therefore, you must judge me today, my friend. You cannot tell me that you are not judging me today.
Because you are a military man. You are wearing up and down. You don't even have respect for angels. You don't have respect again.
A military man fears nobody. Better tell me where you are taking me to right now. If not, I'm going to double you too. Yes, I'm done. I will double you. You think you can chauze me? You cannot chauze me.
Hey, you think this is your Nigeria military spirit? You can use it here.
I've made myself clear.
You have made yourself clear.
Yes. Better judge me. Now, and this minute. I've been in the forest fighting for this nation. For over 6 months, I will be in Sabisa forest fighting for this nation.
Point of correction, not this nation, fighting for their nation.
Fighting for their nation.
Their nation.
My nation. Then, you want to tell me that you cannot judge me?
You have already been judged. Lucifer!
Better be.
Take him to his kingdom.
My friend,
Come, let's go.
which kingdom is he taking me to?
When you get there, you will know.
My friend, move it.
No problem.
Move it!
Patrolling team! Come and carry her down. He has fainted.
All of them don't come on. That is a immediately faint. Mumu men. They don't know say I wise past them. Not be to hack this system now. Put my name for paradise. I be I want more now. I go just cook carry and come out go work am.
Yeah, thank you for watching Home of Laughter comedy videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more funny videos.
Is it on?
Yes, it's on. It's on.
Okay, I beg subscribe. Just click on that like button. You know the cost.
Like that red button.
Okay, the red.
Yes.
Now the red button.
Yes, the red button.
Okay, the red button. Don't press am. Nothing. No, they collect money. No be your fingerprint.
It's going to hell.
I thought my Fenty was supposed to make them wrong.
No,
Yes,
as
now,
friend
we go
now.
run
No
now.
more to charge
Let
now.
me go last. Before I fit dust sleep pass. Let me go last. Come out.
Okay.
I'm follow silent for you.
So today you guys are not quiet.
Yes, yes.
Angel.
But the noise when they come from background not too much now.
Meanwhile, why me they say with the mechanic and say, you see your life? You just as in they finish me now.
I better put for them.
You see your life. Once now you humble.
My name is Brother Solomon, aka the Do Doppler Master.
Yes,
Yeah.
his name is Brother Solo. Is the
Are you the one speaking for him?
No, sir.
My friend, go on.
Okay, sir.
Brother Solomon.
Yes, my lord. I am loyal to the judgment throne.